Hello my lovelies, it's Maria from Maria Custo Designs. Welcome to my stitching corner. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. Hey everyone, look what I've got today. So, I'm going to show you how to make these gorgeous cross-stitched earrings for the festive season. It's really easy to make. It only took a few hours, so you can do it in a weekend. And it only uses 4 stitches, so it's very fast. I used the plastic canvas, so it's sturdy, and the felt on the back. Yep, coming out. So you can do it in a weekend. It's gonna be perfect. If you like to do your festive jewelry, just keep watching and let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to need is this brown plastic canvas, but it can have clear as well. It's up to you which one you have. It is 14 count, just like the Ida, but it's plastic. Okay, brown felt, because I wanted to color match it. 2 of these earring, I'm not quite sure what it's called. A sharp scissor and a few threads. So what I'm doing first is counting how much it's in a row, which is gonna be 17. So the next one, I'm going to make a little cut. Okay, and count it on the other side. When you find the other end, you make a little cut in here as well, and go through. And let's see where it was. Here. Okay, so this is gonna be the size of my earring. Now I'm gonna make the same because I need to make 2. Okay, I'm going to use 1 thread today out of the 6. I'm going to make a loop start, so the 2 ends are together, and it's gonna be a loop on this side. Okay, so let's put it in the needle. Now in this part you're gonna go from the top. Okay, so we count the pattern. So we're gonna start from here. Okay, so we're gonna leave a little bit. We go up on the other side. Go across the loop. Okay, like this. So you see, the little loop, and go back again. And voila. So look at this. Okay. Now let's stitch the pattern. You can choose any design you like, but make sure it's the right size for an earring, and then it has only 4 stitches. Well, if you want to use plastic Ida or plastic canvas. Now that you have only a tiny bit left, you go at the back and just go through lightly under some of them like this, so it's gonna be very flat, and cut it here. That's it. Okay, so what I'm doing next, when both of them are ready, to cut these corner parts off. You need a sharp scissor for that. Okay, so now it's ready. It looks like this. Okay, what I'm going to do is using the super glue. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, so this is the front. And I'm going to find the middle of it and put it right here. Now, on the other side, like this. So this part is right in the middle. I'm going to add a little knob of, oh come on, that's it. Super glue to it. Okay, now it's stuck. Now I put tiny dots in the three corners.
How do you crouch?
And a little bit here. Now what I'm going to do is to add the velvet. How was it? Yeah, like this.
Stay forward.
Pushing it down.
Those bags.
How do you zoom in?
So this is gonna be your back, so you won't see anything. Okay.
Move forward.
I think I might add a little up here.
You shoot as well.
Oh no, I'm trying to get
To make sure it stays on the middle.
You shooting.
Looks really cute already. It's good because you can still move it around. Okay. I'm finding a darker brown color similar to the back. And I'm going to take out one skein out of the 6. And we're gonna backstitch all around, so you barely see it on the back and you won't see it on the front, just a highlight on the side. Okay, so how you won't see the knot is that you start from the middle, so you come up on either side. Okay, and you tuck this in under it. Here we go. Now one done, up on the next one, go back. So look closely, okay? Okay, here, pull it through. Okay, and you're gonna cut the end. Here. Okay. Now, looks like this. It's almost done. Okay, so the last bit is to cut off these corners, and that's it. So we just follow the plastic canvas. Okay. And it looks like this. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and I hope you're gonna make something similar. If you like this video, please subscribe and like, and share with your crafty friends. It's a great nighttime evening project when it's already dark at 4 o'clock, to make it before Christmas. And you can even gift it. It's gonna be a great gift to anyone who likes these kind of things. If you watch this video until the end, please comment gingerbread in the comments below. And until next time, happy stitching. Bye!